abebemeza okushabwa ngu bakorese sente za nabo babiri bari omu rukiiko rw'enguuto rushitamisibwa akakiiko ka District Roads Committee omukanso yashema batyo nikwo abanyeshengero kugambira ba engineer ngu nibenda sente ya government yona ekore kyeshemerire kukora.
It is coming to rainy season, and you know when it rains, that's when you get to know that we have an issue with roads in our district. This should be an issue to look at. Imagine in a quarter you work on the road, and when it rains, you cannot access the road.
The next meeting of the road fund, road committee will be in the field. We can agree, even if it is a 3-day meeting, that one day we are spending a day in Sheba North, another day in municipality, another day in the south, to move through the roads and see. That's what our people want.
Umudia wira muhati azakora urwuto kurugamijina kuzana ngeji kanyeganyeji miliyoni gana kinana mwene baiza kurukora oshenga ubuzima urwuto n'uruhango rwine drainage mara mweho nyingi iruko mara kandi mara mu ya good quality njo mu safari for money konka nkirebuka ebirebuhiroho binoshoti enguto zikorwa value for money betar nungi.
Abanyeshengero bagarukire barabyemo umunyeshengero habwashema municipality Dickson Kateshumbwa okubanwe yaba mukuru w'enguto zona mu district ya Shema.
Going around the country arresting people for shortage job as if those people are not represented by leader. So for me, before they come to pick anyone here in the municipality, I think I should know that this work has been done and I should take steps.
Sibakwazi zirabo mu emotoka obwire bwona hataro kutera hataro bansindika no muri yejo ntero mara mwe bare n'abakozi mu ngutomo mara mwejo ebiri yakorite nungi.
Aba babandize no kurambura enguto muri Shema South hamwe na North batyo bahumuriza abanyashema ngutine ruguto rutarakorwe.
Niyenda kwamiza abanyashema ngo muhumure ekintu ekikwatirine ahangudo twena kirizana ngo turebe ngo akasenta karuho kakora umurimo gwako oguhikire kandi na numubwire bwako.
Nabwanyuma engineer wa Shema District Engineer Aran Mbaga, engineer wa municipality Innocent Nwagira bahire yonko kuba kodise sente is government ya bahire.
What happened? So meaning supplier we no million 1.2 na maza sharahochi holding. Of course other suppliers have always been cut. Mbarajurumbajara ngo sente zenguto the student cut taxes konga practically it is happening. So possibly that one has also delayed us.
Tax fuel shouldn't be charged because fuel is consumed as bulk price. Other projects are charged 6% withholding because those contractors are paid at quoted price. Now the fuel that is consumed at bulk price, why should it be charged?
Ba engineer bahire yenguto zirukuza korwa mu mwaka ogu nezatandikire korwe cy'abanyeshengero bikirizangine ngo baza korra hamwe ahabwa Shema District kuyagayaga gasha kwa Mike Twachiri.